Yo, what's up guys, Michael Xen back out with a brand new video. Today's is going to be like super quick. I'm just basically going to show you like how to make like a killer ad copy. If you don't know what ad copy is, it's basically like, I have to keep my voice down because my parents are going to turn the Wi-Fi off soon, but the ad copy, it's basically like the actual post that you're posting and like the caption and all that. So I'm going to tell you how I get the highest converting thing. So I mean, like I've gotten like conversion rates of maybe like 5-6% before on ad, well, because if they click through, they're always like super interested in it, so you're going to get high conversion rates naturally. But I'm going to show you how, basically I'll tell you like what to do. So if I can just set this camera up and then I can just start ranting. So basically, for like an ad copy, I wish I can pull one up right now, like maybe I'll do it later, but basically you literally want to keep it as simple as you can. Like what I'd like to hear, like a genius thing is, let me put this over here. Like a genius way to put it is, what this one kid told me is like the end goal of your customer should just be to press the buy now button. You do not want to distract them from pressing buy now or whatever. So keep your photos super simple. Literally, I just have like a photo of my product. I usually don't even like edit the photo or anything. I basically just say like, and I just talk in the caption. The post, it's literally like, you don't want it too salesy or too pushy on it, because remember, people like to buy, but they don't like to be bought. Some, like, you know what I mean? Like people don't want to like think that they bought into your ad and they're like falling a victim to your ad. They want to say, oh, it's a cool product and this guy just happens to sell it. You know what I mean? Like it's kind of like, hey, you know, we're friends, I'm selling you this, instead of like, take my stuff, I want to make money. No, it shouldn't be like that. Basically, what's it called? Basically, yeah, that's pretty much like the principle behind it. So you just want to have a photo, and then usually for the caption, I literally just keep it really simple. Once again, you literally, all you want at this point is them to go onto your website and just click onto your website. You don't want to distract them from that. Don't say too many sales, half off this, tag a friend. Literally, it's just going to confuse them at the end of the day. They want to read that and see, oh, buy now, or not buy now, like grab yours now. You don't want to say buy now because it's too like salesy. So get yours now, grab yours now here. So basically, for the caption, I would say something like, tag yourself first. So like, let's just say my thing is Fashion Nova, the #1 Shopify store, I believe, or number 2 or 3. I would say at Fashion Nova with the hookup, fire emoji, and then maybe say something like, grab yours now, there's only a couple left. And literally, like, it's not too simple, or that's pretty simple. It's not too complicated. It just says the only thing that's a little complicated is that saying that there's only a few left. There's a few left, and that's like a pronoun or whatever they call it in school. It's like there's only a few left, and like, I don't know, grab yours now. Those are like the two like important things. So when they see that there's only a couple left, grab it now instead of tag your friend and do this. Like imagine them tagging it and then going to your website and liking the photos. It's too much. Basically that's what you want to do. So basically, you know, at whatever, with the hookup fire emoji, and then, oh, really important. So basically, they're gonna write, only like 50 left, grab yours now, and then give a discount code, because a lot of people like using discount codes. So that's super important. So basically, honestly, just like keep everything simple. That's what customers want to see, is just simplicity. And then when they get onto your website, change your add to cart button to say buy now. That's a really good thing. It just shows like more action instead of add to cart, you know, it's like buy now. I wish I could say grab yours now. It just kind of sounds weird, but, yeah, honestly, that's kind of like it for ad copy. What a lot of people stress is, oh, make this confusing, whatever. No, it's literally so simple. Lead them to your Instagram page and make it super simple. Buy yourself a couple thousand followers and likes. That's really important. And comments if you're extra. But at least have like 10 posts. I would say 9, but then it feels weird. Like they want to like keep scrolling down. But like 9, you can see that there's just like one photo. It's like the 9 photos and then there's like one. So you know that that's all they posted. But honestly, that's it. You want to make it super simple and think about the end vision of the customer, what you want them to do. You want them to click through, the click-through rate, the CTR, basically, to your page. Usually, like, good percentage is like 4%, something like that. Just think about that's all you want them to do. You want them to click through to your website. Don't say tag a friend, all that. That's what a lot of people, like, I see. It's killing conversions out here, so I'm trying to help you guys, you know, gain that money, but no, I'm kind of mastering Facebook ads right now. I don't want to show my store, but yesterday I was at 200. Today I'm at like 125 bucks. So it's kind of like consistent. I don't know. I don't really work on it anyways today, but yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Once again, posting daily. I honestly shouldn't even say that. It's just, it comes down to me like wanting to entertain and just freaking like share the knowledge with you guys. So I gotta upload this video, bro. It's like 12 and then I'll stay up to like 2 and then school and then repeat. So it's every day, bro. See ya.